Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I love the self-heating mug from BUUO because that means that I can sip on my tea as long as I want in the morning and it will stay hot. I kind of have a little problem that I don't drink all of my tea all at once, and I just hate having to go and microwave it again, and this has completely solved that issue. I love how uncomplicated and easy to use this mug is. It has 3 different temperature settings and a button on the front that you simply push to rotate through the different temperatures. My favorite setting is 135. I found that the perfect temperature for drinking my tea. I've noticed that when the mug is not on the base with a full battery, it will last me 3 hours at that temperature. It has a very clear display on it, makes it easy to know which temperature you're at. I also drink my tea either from my right or my left hand, and I love that there's a display on both sides. So it doesn't matter which side you're drinking it from, you can see the display with the temperature. This is a 14-ounce mug, which is perfect. That's exactly what I drink every single morning. And I got the slate blue color, which I think is gorgeous. Another feature of this mug that is really awesome is that it will charge on the base whether it has liquid in it or not. It's also cool that the mug can actually heat liquids up. So if you have a cool liquid, you can turn it on and it'll heat it up to the temperature that you choose. I keep the lid on it at all times and it's really tight and secure, and of course helps to insulate the liquid even more. I'm so pleased with this mug from BUUO. It has exceeded my expectations. I use it every single day and now I can't live without it. And that's my point of view.